Alright, good day everybody. Today we're going to be making suddenly pasta salad. Walmart has it. It's basically a package of pasta, seasoning packet. You cook the pasta, you mix the seasoning packet in a small bowl separately with 3 tablespoons cold water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Pretty simple. Cook the pasta for about 12 minutes in some water. When you're done, drain it, put it in a bowl, or leave it in the pan, let it cool down a little bit, and transfer your seasoning mix to the pan, stir it up. You can add broccoli, chicken, bacon, onions, whatever you like. These are not bad actually, and then I put it in the refrigerator overnight if I'm going to be eating it the next day. Here's the nutrition information. Serving size half a cup, 4 servings per container. They've got the calories listed as 2 different columns. As packaged, which you're not going to eat it as dry pasta, obviously, and dry seasoning. So this first column that says 180 calories is not what you're going to be paying attention to. It's going to be the second column because that's where you're adding the oil. And you can see the saturated fat is 0 grams as packaged because there's no oil here. You have to add the oil. And as soon as you add the oil in the recommended amount, saturated fat goes up to 6% because of the oil. Sodium, 390 milligrams. Sugars, not much. Protein, 5 grams. Potassium, about 8%. Iron, a little bit. There's your ingredients. Distributed by Eagle Foods out of Cleveland, Ohio. They've got different versions of this. This is the classic one. They've got like four or five different versions of this. But it's pretty good actually, and I like adding chicken to it, so I've had this numerous times. And this time around, I'm going to try it with Better Goods, authentic Italian Sorrentina sauce. I don't know how they pronounce that. Is it a hard C? Potato gnocchi with Italian tomato sauce and fresh mozzarella cheese, ready in 5 to 7 minutes. 16 ounces, 454 grams. This was at Walmart in the frozen section by the meatballs, I believe, which are directly across from the ice cream. Cooking instructions. Three and a half servings, 1 cup. Fair bit of sodium. So I can't say that I've ever had this. I'm going to give it a try. I'm guessing you just eat it by itself. Calories, 200 calories, and a fair amount of sodium. They're saying 1 cup is a serving. What is it? It says crushed tomatoes, tomato concentrate, potatoes, So is it like a potato filled with something? The cheese? And I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll give it a try. Okay, that's what the seasoning packet looks like. I added the 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just mix it up real well. I suppose if you have fresh basil out in the garden, you can cut up some fresh basil and put it in there. There you go. So that's where your fat is coming from. Is it a hard C? Is it a soft C? I am not sure. It's pretty easy to cook though. It's just 3 tablespoons of water. Heat it for 7 to 8 minutes, covered. Just happened to see it at Walmart and I'm like, oh, what's this? Okay, we have the pasta cooked. Okay, so got it out of the bowl. Let's put it in the mixing bowl here. And I'm just going to mix this in real good. You get the idea. So that'll get mixed better. In the meantime, heating up water for the gnocchi. Gnocchi? Is that how it's pronounced? They're pronouncing it with like a Y in between the N and the O. Don't know. It's a potato dumpling. Italian potato dumpling. Alright, so I'm supposed to heat it here covered 7 to 8 minutes. So stand by for that. This is what it looks like out of the package. Still frozen. Approximately 1 cup, give or take. We're going to put it in here. And we're going to cover it. 7 to 8 minutes, they say. And I do have some fresh basil here. This is just normal large leaf basil. And then we've got a small leaf variety. Not sure what the name is on these. We've got 2 of them growing, so we'll put some of that in the pasta there. Conveniently, the lid for this pot, which is an older pot that was made in Belgium, I got it off of eBay a while back. This lid fits this nonstick pan perfectly. Okay. Is that what it's supposed to look like? I mean, they look like little potatoes, but I'm assuming there's mozzarella. And there's some sort of tomato sauce on there. Interesting. Okay, everything's done. There's the pasta. And here's the gnocchi. And I have had this before. This is always good. But I have not had this before. So I'll give it a go here. That's what it looks like. I'm assuming that's potato and maybe mozzarella in there. Yeah. It's soft. It's not crunchy. It's got a lump of mozzarella in there. Interesting. Tomato sauce, obviously, based. I'm sure all the Italian grandmothers are going, oh my God, what are they doing? I mean, it's not bad for a little small side dish, part of a larger meal. There you go. Walmart frozen gnocchi with some fresh basil. Well, that's my video. Took about a half hour for everything, thereabouts. Check out Suddenly Salad if you've never tried it. It's usually in the pasta aisle across from the sauce or somewhere in the vicinity. Walmart had this on their end cap display. That's it. Thanks for watching.